Hello guys, today I can't press this button or something terrible happened. I have, it just gave me some items. I have a cake, I have a tossy milk, and then I have a speed coil, which gave me super boost. Just kidding. Oh, I have more items in my inventory. I can go into this shop to buy anything, like this particle shop and this Robux shop. I don't have enough Robux to buy those. And the special items. And then gear shop. This is where you buy all the gears. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, okay. Okay, did I just press the button? Whoa, what was that? I think it spawned a noob. Noob, what you doing? Why is he laughing? No. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Oh, what? Lyndon the chef is missing the ingredients to bake a cake. No. You're not. I'm not allowed to come to your place, Snoob. Let me just interact. Give me the sugar. I wish I had more people to help me get all of the ingredients. Okay. Is the noob still here? The noob is still here. Okay. I got everything, and what is he going to do? What is he doing? Oh, he made a cake. I want to eat it. But I already have one. No, I won't donate to you. I'm gonna eat another one. No, you are not allowed to donate to me. No. Why are you laughing? You are so weird. This noob is so weird. Mysterious lever. Let me just pull it. And what does it mean? Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, what? Let's just press the button. The building is burning. Escape. It gave me a hamburger and then this duck head, and then I still have this chocolate milkshake. Oh no. Oh no. The burning parts are yellow. The floor is burning too. Oh no. We need to escape quickly. Oh no. It's barricaded. Oh. Okay. Hopefully the fire doesn't come here. Oh! What does... Wait, why am I... Oh no! Get out! Oh, I survived. I do not want to see myself keep dying. I don't want to die so many times. But whatever. Why? Okay. Yummy. I am just eating the chocolate coin. What the? Where am I? Let me just get the correct key for the Looks like that's the wrong key. Wrong key. They usually always put it up here. Oh, I found the right key. I found the right key. I need to go. Oh, I did it. Okay. What? What? Let me get this cake and. Oh! The cake was a bomb? It was a lie. The cake was a lie. No, okay. Oh, no. Oh no. I need to get the extinguisher. Please. Do anything. Oh no. It almost exploded. Okay. Now, what the? I'll use my speed coil for that. My head was shoved through the laser. You know what? I'm gonna press that. I don't see anyone here. Oh, never mind. I found one. Give me this diamond. Yes. I'm gonna eat this burger real quick. I have no idea. I pressed the button again. What do you mean? Oh no. The walls are closing in. Okay. I almost touched them. I almost touched them. Okay, now let's press this and spinning cube. The ground changed. Speed coil. Go. Oh no. Go. Get on this. Okay. Auto. Get up. Oh. Oh, I won! I managed to survive. Okay. What the? It gave me a hot chocolate, and I got a still speak stranded. Let me just collect this log and then cross over here. And then let's cross over. This is gonna take me a very long time. Let me get the rest of this log. Oh, it won't let me because I already have a log. Boom. I wish I had more people to help me. Boom. This is going to take a long time. Bro, you're kidding me. The time ran out. I wasn't fast enough to build a bridge. But wait, what's happening? Ah! Whoa! Where am I? Oh, it made more people. Okay. Speed run. There's a noob over here, but he's not in R6 mode. Jump over that. Wait, those tables are close to the table, close to the base plate. It looks like an elevated expressway from Bangladesh. I am always in Bangladesh. Oh, get this diamond. Give me this diamond. Bravo. Okay, give me that. Oh no, I'm gonna run out of time. Okay, now. Time to push people up the My head hurts. Oh, no. Okay. Give me on this picture. Oh, what the? Okay, let me see that. Oh, what the Sigma is this photo? Okay, let me just press. Oh, okay, give me that diamond. I will easily do this in 50 seconds. Go. Okay, I hope I don't move. Oh, go. Oh, Brad. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was like a Squid Game doll. Let me press the button. Okay, I pressed the button and then what? Okay, we have to defeat the monsters. Okay. No. Oh, hey, Zika! Oh no. Oh no, you don't. Oh, I accidentally sent a capture. You're dead meat. Oh no. Let's just take them down. Boom! Take them down! Beep. John Cena. What? Oh, is that a juice? Oh, I wanna drink it. Okay, I already drank that and wait, it gave me a jump boost? I got super speed and jump boost. Let's just press this button. Oh, what the? Oh, I don't. No. Okay. Oh! This girl does not last long. Let me just go through this. Oh. Still spot. Get into the same spot. Still same spot. Always same spot. Don't jump. Oh, we did it! There is more people leaving the server, joining the server. Let me press this button. What the? Huh? What's the void? Oh, what the? Is that space? Oh no! I knew I shouldn't have pressed the button. I knew I should never have pressed the button.